In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Whop. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head to your Whop Home dashboard. This is the main page you see after signing in, where you can view your products, communities, and overall account activity. If you're not already there, you can usually get back to it by clicking the Whop logo or the Home option in the navigation. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your current profile icon there. This might be a default avatar, your initials, or an image you previously set. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu where you can access different account options. In that menu, look for the gear icon, which represents your settings. It's typically next to options like account or logout. Click on the gear icon to open your account settings page. This is where you can manage various parts of your profile and preferences. Once the settings page loads, you'll see your profile details. Here, you should also see your profile picture displayed more prominently. Now you want to click directly on the profile picture itself. This might feel a bit hidden if you've never changed it before, but clicking the image is what tells Whop you want to update it. After you click on your profile picture, your device's file picker window will open. This is where you select the new image you want to use. Browse through your folders and choose a picture that looks clear and professional, or that best represents you or your brand. A square or roughly square image usually works best, since profile pictures are often cropped into a circle. Once you've selected the image, confirm your choice so it uploads back into Whop. You should now see a preview of your new profile picture in the settings page. Take a second to make sure it isn't blurry or cut off in a strange way. If it doesn't look right, you can click it again and choose a different image. When you're happy with how it looks, scroll down if needed and click on the Save button. This step is important. If you forget to save, your new picture won't be applied. After clicking Save, your profile picture will update across your Whop account and you're done.